So here's what I put in the spaghetti. And keep in mind, I'm cooking for about 14 people. Tomato paste, sun-dried tomatoes. I will not make spaghetti sauce without them. I will not make spaghetti sauce without beef bouillon. All food needs some acidic content. Red wine vinegar. Believe it or not, don't turn your nose up. Fish sauce. I like the Three Crabs brand the best. A lot of garlic. I use Prego just to start with as a base. It has good flavors in it. And of course I had tomatoes. There's no way you can put in too much oregano. Onions. I have used all kinds of onions. I like the yellow onions the best. Secret ingredient, at least 1 carrot. I'll probably put 2 carrots in there, maybe even 3, because I'm making it chock full of vegetables. There's no way you can put too much celery in your spaghetti. And then, of course, lots of tomatoes. But I do start with quite a bit of Prego. I'll probably put in 2 or 3 jars of it just to stretch it out. It's a good base for you. I love this tool. You've got to go get one. Close up. And since I'm making 2 batches of spaghetti, I have a couple pounds of ground beef here. I have about 14, 16 people coming over for dinner tomorrow night. I love this tool. Run out and buy one if you don't have one. But this is a good ground beef. 80-20 is good. You need the fat content for the flavor. So this chops it up, and I just got the sausage out of the freezer. I want to show you this is 2 packages of sausage. Johnsonville sausage is what I like the best, and I do get hot because we're going to have some spicy spaghetti, and then we're going to have not spicy spaghetti. And one of my friends is a vegan, so hers will not have, or vegetarian, hers will not have any meat in. I'm going to pull some sauce out for her. But Johnsonville is what I like the best. Of course, the mild is delicious too if you're not into spicy. Spicy and flavorful are 2 different things, and the vegan or vegetarian spaghetti will also be flavorful. So we're making meat sauce, so we have to make sure that the meat is finely chopped up. Some people like to have links on top. Great, go for it. But I like to get all of the flavor out of the meat to permeate. Since I'm making 3 different types of spaghetti sauce, I'm gonna make spicy, and then I have some friends who don't like spicy, and then I have one friend who's a vegetarian. I'm going to make the base first, and then I will add the meats after the base has cooked for a while. First, I'm going to add our 3 jars of Prego, 3 cans of tomato paste, diced tomatoes, and we're stirring lots of garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll be good. Stirring. Fresh oregano makes a big difference. Grow your own. I have to grate my own carrot because my husband wouldn't buy the pre-julienne carrots. Oh! Go grocery shopping by yourself and get what you really want. Please leave a comment below and tell my husband to let me buy the cut up carrots. I want the last 4 minutes of my life back. Carrots are done. Yes. And we're stirring again. 5 stalks of celery. Maybe 6, either one. My spaghetti sauce to be full of chunky vegetables, so celery. More stirring. Chopping up 2 medium large onions. Use more if you like. I like 2. Now we get to the really important stuff. Sun-dried tomatoes. Oh my gosh. If you like a big zip pow of tomato in your spaghetti sauce, which I do, you cannot put too many sun-dried tomatoes in. I mince them up, and then the juice that's in the jar, I pour in the spaghetti sauce. This is what will separate your spaghetti sauce from everybody else's. When I have 70 and 80-year-old women asking me for the recipe for my spaghetti sauce, I feel like I finally did something right in life. And the sun-dried tomatoes are the secret. And dump in the juice because it's full of flavor. The absolute best thing about making that spaghetti recipe is the leftovers. This is all that was left over. And I did add 1 more can or jar of Prego. The spicy was definitely everyone's favorite. There was none of that left whatsoever. The vegetarian was gone. We had a little bit of the meat sauce left over. the hamburger. This is about day 3, and let me tell you, it's fantastic. I add a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I've got my little tool right there, and hope y'all enjoyed it. Leave me a comment below. Let me know how your spaghetti turns out. This is a very forgiving recipe, so feel free to add or subtract anything you like. And let me leave you with a few clips from my besties who came over to eat spaghetti last weekend.
Yeah, I like it. We did. Oh, yeah.
It's really cool.
Do you have sun or do one of these?
Do it again, Martha. Do it again.